What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have a garden hose from Costco. I did get this last year, so calm down, calm down. They have it on the shelves right now. Just saw it not too long ago. When I bought it around November and stuff like that. So I was like, you know what? I'll review it next year. I'll open it next year because I didn't really. Winter time was coming, you guys. So blah 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 blah. So right here is 100 foot rapid flow. I believe that's the brand. Okay. Um, Other things that we need to know. It says lightweight, 50% lighter than a heavy duty vinyl hose. Yeah, we getting tired of the vinyl hose, you guys. All right, it says resist leaks, and I do have a leak in one of mine, so that's why I'm just giving it up, and I'm ready to start going with these easy holes. You know, the ones that's just easier. Okay, it says kink resistant. For the most part, we will check that out, but this stuff will probably still kink, but we will figure it out and see if it is what they say it is. Now you can wrap this up, wind it up, put it in your little flower pot, but I don't like doing this because I don't like snakes, you guys. And you know, you never know if a snake is lingering in here. So me, I just use a reel and that will be it. So I will be putting this on my garden reel, and yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. And I also left this in the rain, so yeah, there goes that. Let's take this thing out. And this is 100 foot. All right, you guys, so excuse the AC fan if y'all can barely hear me. My apologies, but we have to get on with this review. So I'm going to take this 100 foot hose out. Well, this is like 120 foot. I'm going to put this 100 foot hose in, and the reason why is because it's collapsible. It's not thick as this. So you see, this is thick, and this is basically easier to wound up. So I'm gonna unwound this, hook it up. I'm taking this off, and then I'm going to replace it. So they said this thing is kink free, right? Hopefully it don't kink. Right here you have your male, then you have your female. Your male goes in your female. That's how you can tell the difference between male and female. All right, blase blase. Now I want to see if I could fit the regular connector on, because this thing right here is big for this, like a little tight gap. This might be a little too big too, but we're gonna try it out. That way we may not need to use this extension, and I might need some pliers. There we go. Let's see if that will work. This might be a little. Oh, I might have made it, you guys. It might have made it. Nope. If this was bent out a little bit more, it would have been better. But I still might need that extension. The only thing I could do is cut. If I needed to, I could make a cut right there, but I don't want to do all of that. So I'm going to put the extension back on. So you see the difference on the sizes? Just that little bit of extra. I like this better too, you guys. It's nice and easy. It's not too hard for the wife and kids or husband, because sometimes we be struggling on this stuff as well. All right, you guys, I'm gonna turn the water on. And all right, I have no leaks. I have no leaks. This is pretty thick now, nice and solid. And turn this on. It's gonna be air that comes out, and all right, turn the water on. Okay, leave that on. I'm gonna turn the water off, and then I'm gonna leave this on so we can wind this thing up to see how easy it is to wind up. But for the most part, it's light. All right, you guys, and I have to say that it is easy to wind up. Very easy, nice and light. No issues. I like this. This is better than the thick hoses, you guys. I might purchase another one of these. Seen one in Sam's Club, but I have been going to Costco a lot lately. All right. So, yep, this is way better for me. And I could just hang it up like this. Turn that off. All right, everything's off and we're good to go, you guys. So that's it with that. The 100-foot hose. I have a lot of room left, okay? I have a lot of room left. I love the collapsible hoses. Very nice, convenient, and yeah. So go ahead, take yourself a trip to Costco and get yourself a nice garden hose. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.